So in today's video, I'm going to be proving that the derivative of x to the n with respect to x is nx to the n minus 1 from first principles. So we know that the derivative of a function is the limit as delta x approaches 0 of x, so in this case the function is x to the n, so x plus delta x to the n minus x to the n over delta x. Now we're going to use the binomial theorem to expand this bracket, so that gives us the limit as delta x approaches 0 of x to the n plus n choose 1 x to the n minus 1 delta x plus n choose 2 x to the n minus 2 delta x squared, and so on until we get up to n choose n n choose n delta x to the n, and then subtract x to the n all over delta x. Now we can see that we can cancel this minus x to the n with this x to the n, and then we can divide the numerator and denominator by delta x because each of these terms has a delta x in. So this becomes the limit as delta x approaches 0 of n choose 1 x to the n minus 1, and now this delta x will just become a 1, plus n choose 2 x to the n minus 2, this delta x squared will become just a delta x, and then we sum this up to delta x to the n will become delta x to the n minus 1. And now we see that if we let delta x tend to 0, then all of these terms that are multiplied by delta x will just become 0. And so this just becomes n choose 1 x to the n minus 1, because this term doesn't have any delta x's in it. And now we know that n choose 1 is n, so this is the same as nx to the n minus 1. And so we've proved it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe now.